Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to reset your home screen layout on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the Settings app. In Settings, you want to tap on General. Then you want to scroll until you get to this option labeled Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Then from here, select Reset. And then you want to tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. Confirm that you want to reset it. And then from here, once you've done all of that, you now want to exit the Settings app. And then you'll notice as you swipe through your home screen, you should see your home screen layout has been reset. So this includes folders, apps being taken out of folders that you've created, and the apps being rearranged in alphabetical order. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.